Yeah, man, greetings everyone. Stewie again. This is a glimpse of what I saw on March 24, 2024 in Montego Bay, Jamaica. On this particular sighting, they had the transponders on board the helicopter, and this made the helicopter visible on radar. I suspect they turned the transponders on to make the helicopters rather, visible to the approaching aircraft, because the aircraft were using runway 25 into Montego Bay on that day. So that era which the helicopters were operating would have low-flying aircrafts. So based upon the fact that they had transponders on and they were on radar, let's see if we can see where the track took them to. What they did shortly after they went out of the approach part for MBJ runway, they turned the transponders off. But based upon the last sighting, you could have seen that they were like outside of Trelawney, offshore Jamaica, and they were traveling in a northeasterly direction. That could take them, based on the map here, Guantanamo Bay or Haiti. I saw this one on the 28th of March. Not sure who this is or what they were about, but just added it.